This is my normal Windows 11 desktop, but there's this app out there called Seelen UI which promises to make a bunch of tweaks to it, like custom taskbars, custom docks, like a bunch of plugins, a lot of customization that stock Windows 11 just doesn't offer. And I'll try it out and see if it's a game changer, and honestly, I think it is. But before we begin, I'm a high schooler trying to make it big on YouTube, so if you could drop a like and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content, I'd really appreciate it. Anyways, let's begin. Alright, so first of all, there's pretty much two easy ways to install Seelen UI. The first method, and obviously the most easiest one, is just to go on the Microsoft Store and download Seelen UI. But if you don't want to use the Microsoft Store or you don't have it or something like that, you can just download Seelen UI from the website itself. And obviously it depends on, what type of system you have. Like for example, if you have like a Snapdragon laptop, you need to use like ARM, but if you like a normal laptop like Intel or AMD, just go for the X64. Alright, so here I am on Seelen UI, and first of all, it literally looks like Linux low-key, like has like almost like the macOS like taskbar, and there's also like this widget over here. Nothing's playing. I guess like if I actually play something, it's going to show up, and obviously, OBS is open right here to record this, so I actually want to play around with the settings and see what I can do. You have this menu over here, user directories, recently used, so I guess this goes into like my recent. Okay, this is interesting. And over here, what does this show? Okay, this goes into the battery. Oh, and they have like a nice like media volume. You can adjust like your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth. Oh, you can also do it up here. So immediately this is a lot like macOS. That's like my main thing that I'm getting over here. What does this do? Oh, it shows like all your system apps. Okay, that's interesting as well. Okay, and it's only using like 49 megabytes of RAM. Okay, that's actually like really good. All right, so if I right click the taskbar, I have like a context menu where I can like add things, and the main thing is the settings. So here's a bunch of settings to like, I guess, customize Seelen UI. So if general, I guess, is like, we can change the accent color. We also have the performance mode. Okay, so this is actually good for like laptop users. Like if you don't want to waste battery, you can have it like, be like more conservative on like using power. So this is like something good to see. And okay, so we have a bunch of like, themes, icon packs, widgets, sound packs, wallpapers, plugins. So what do themes do? So actually, I already tried this out, but pretty much like you can actually make this thing like animate. So if I click it, it actually, starts like moving around a bit, which is kind of cool. And there's also like bubbles. The bubble looks a lot more clear, like on the bottom. And fancy toolbar, this is just the thing on top where you can like, see like all these options up here. So you can also like adjust stuff. So what if it makes like 100? What does this do? Okay, so it just brings it down a bunch. Let's put that back to normal. And okay, why did I close it? And oh, you can also make it auto hide. Okay, that's kind of cool. Wallpaper manager. Okay, so I guess this is where you can like change the wallpaper. I'm actually try that out. Okay, so I actually just imported like the channel background. So I guess I make this enabled and save it. Oh, okay, it has like a nice animation as well. Alright, it's actually kind of cool actually. And for dock and taskbar, so I guess just like change this like the macOS lookalike. So if you want to use like the Windows one, like you can have it, but I mean I guess it makes more sense to use the custom one. So you can change. Oh, you can also like change like the width. What does this do? So make it full screen. Okay, that looks hideous. Let's not do that. And oh, you can also like the position, so you could go on like the left or like up. This is actually like really good because I know like on Windows 11 they removed like the option to like put it to like different sides. Like I used to put it to like the right on normal Windows 10, but like you can't do that. So this can actually be a replacement for that, I guess. And oh, also the auto hide. Oh yeah, that's actually, I guess it should hide if I drag my mouse over here, it should come back. Okay, it's actually pretty sick. So items, what does this do? So if I make it, oh, just like the icon size. So okay, that's like a lot bigger. You can also increase the space. So if you want them like really spaced out, you can do that. And visual separators, what does that do? Okay, gets rid of that thing. And this is like the one thing that low-key like excites me the most about this, that it has like its own tiling Windows manager. If I open NVIDIA control panel, I think that there should be 2 of them, or oh yeah, look at that. So honestly, I do want to go more in depth in this, but like I want to figure out how you can actually change like the keybinds, because I have like my own, so they're pretty like weird. So like honestly, like I'm gonna struggle without them. There's also some developer settings. What are the extras here? So I guess it's just like Discord, RPC. I don't know what that is. And now I actually want to explore some more like customization. So let me just disable like the tiling for now. So if I go into resources, what plugins do they got? I think this is stuff for like the top bar. Okay, oh, you also can like download more here. So I will try some custom ones in a bit, but also like icon packs as well. I like to download those as well. Sound packs, what could that be for, honestly? Widgets, okay, we can have widgets. So okay, so I'm actually gonna like try some out here. Desktop media player. So I'm gonna try some themes actually. Okay, wave animation. All right, this does seem pretty interesting. Like, they got that for Mac OS, so I'm gonna try that out. Okay. And enable. So now, oh, okay, yeah, that's cool. And it's also like really easy to install as well. You just gotta like it's like a couple clicks. That's it. You don't gotta like drag into a folder and all that. So really convenient. What other stuff can I get? So okay, what icon packs they got? Windows. Okay, you get the Windows 11 start icon. Or Nix OS. Let me get like the Windows 11 start icon because I'm on Windows. Okay, yeah, we got Windows 11, so that's more like accurate to my system, I guess. What plugins are there as well? So, I guess like okay, Bitcoin widget toolbar. Not sure if I need those, so I'll just skip that for now. And I don't get like a tough wallpaper, like even better. Okay, these are all anime wallpapers. Oh, actually, flowered sunset. Oh, it's like animated. All right, let me actually try that out. Let's see that. Oh, okay, wait. Yo, this is actually like low-key beautiful. Holy. So I'm gonna wrap this up, but I want to see like how can I like add stuff on top. So is it like a specific way? Well, I can remove a module, so if you don't want the date, I can do that. I don't know why I do that, but oh, okay. So if you right click, you can add like stuff like okay, you get the date back. Oh, it's on it right now. What other things can I have? Power menu, I guess. Yeah, okay, so honestly, I think that's kind of it. Like, I definitely see the potential in this, though. Like, it's pretty cool and all that. But honestly, I think it'll take some time to get used to. But honestly, like, I'm seriously considering, like, switching from vanilla Windows 11 to this. But once again, if you enjoyed the video, just, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time.